Arriving at Governor's Island on the ferry from Manhattan, make your way to the west shore of the island and walk south. In the far distance, you can now see the monumental sculpture Moving Chains by Charles Gaines. The Statue of Liberty is on your right. It was originally a gift from the French Anti-Slavery Society on the occasion of the ratification of the 13th Amendment, which formally abolished slavery in the United States in 1866. When the French sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi created the first Liberty models, the statue's hands were holding broken chains to signify the end of slavery. American financiers objected to the idea, so Bartholdi replaced the chains with a tablet with the date of the Declaration of Independence, July 4th, 1776. However, he left broken chains at the feet of Lady Liberty. The chains cannot be seen by visitors, as they are on top of the pedestal. They can only be seen from an aerial view. Moving Chains is a 110-foot-long kinetic sculpture resembling the hull of a ship, a slave ship. It is built from sapele, commonly referred to as African mahogany, a tree native to West Africa. West Africa, where most of the people who were taken for the slave trade came from. The massive motorized chains churn overhead, creating a sound which seems to evoke the sound of the creaking and incessant noise one would hear trapped in the hull as you sailed toward your inevitable servitude. Eight of the chains move at the speed of the Hudson River's currents, while the ninth central chain moves faster, evoking the pace of a ship entering New York Harbor. The chains also evoke the bondage of enslaved people captured for the terrible journey to the New World from Africa. Of the chains brings to mind the heaving, ebbing, and flowing of waves. It's at the same time beautiful and terrifying.